Hey you guys, so today I'm going to do a summer makeup look using the Alter Ego Goddess palette. Oh, you guys, let me give you a little sneak peek what it looks like inside. How pretty is that? I think I'm going to do like a bronzy gold look. It's at least what you guys voted for. Make sure you guys are following me on my community tabs. But anyways, without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright you guys, don't worry, I'm going to be pinning up my hair because I clearly cannot see my eyes if I don't do otherwise. I think we're good. We look a little silly, but that's okay. Oh you guys, I cannot wait to play with this. So yeah, so on YouTube, on my community tab, I did do a poll and asked you guys what kind of eye look do you guys want to see with me using this palette. And you guys all voted for a bronzy gold look. I might do that. I mean, I probably will do that, but you guys, look at these greens. Oh, look at that. That one and this one. Oh. I'm definitely going to do some swatches, so hold up for that, wait for that, but oh y'all, I cannot wait. So just to give you a little bit of background information about Alter Ego, this is a cruelty-free and paraben-free brand. We love that. And you guys, this palette itself, the Goddess palette, is a 15 color eyeshadow palette with a mix of matte shades, shimmer shades, metallic shades, duochrome. Y'all, oh my gosh, how pretty is she? So yeah, we love that. And then on top of all of this goodness, you guys, this palette is just $16. Not $20, which is like still pretty decent. No, $16. Now, after doing this eyeshadow tutorial and playing with this palette, I would definitely let you guys know, is it worth it? Because even if a palette is $5, sometimes it's not worth it, you know? So I'll definitely let you know at the end of this video whether it's worth your money. But you guys, $16? Don't know, babe. Anyways, let's get on with this bronzy gold look. Alright, so just did some wrist swatches. Yeah, don't worry. I'm going to insert a video of a close-up view of all of these swatches. Oh, but so pretty. So pretty. Alright, you guys. So eyes are primed. Used my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to add one of these brown yellow shades as my crease shade. Eek. I think I'm going to go in with, let's do Hera. But yeah, the real test of these shadows is not only if they're pigmented or not, but if they can blend nice. Oh wow, that's pretty. But yeah, I'm just putting this in the crease with a fluffy brush, the Pro Blending Brush number 27 from the Sephora collection. Okay, that's a really nice crease shade. Now I want to take kind of a smaller but still blending brush and go in with Iris. Ooh, or should I do Juno? No, let's do Iris. Let's add a little bit of gold. It's like a mustardy brown color. Yeah, because we are going to do a bronzy gold look today because that's what you guys voted for. Do you see that? Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, so far these are blending really nicely. I definitely love how many brown shades there are in this palette. You guys, look, so many crease shades. Love that. You know, I could literally go out like this. I mean, obviously put on some mascara, maybe a little bit of eyeliner, but like this is great. Oh, love that. Eee! Okay, so now let's make it a little more intense because this is not the final product. Let's do Juno first. and put this in an outer V. I'm just packing this on, you guys. And I'm kind of just placing this in the area as a base for Avalon. Because I just didn't want to go straight into Avalon because it's such a dark, dark brown. If you guys want to know what brushes I use, I can link them all down below. But this is a Morphe M433. I don't know if you guys ever want to know what brushes I use. That's why I don't really share them. There's definitely a little bit of fallout, but nothing like bad. Nothing to where I'm like, oh, I don't ever want to use this palette again, you know? Yeah, that's pretty. That is pretty. I'm gonna blend it all out. Make sure everything looks nice. It's buffed out. You can't tell where it ends and stuff. Also, just in case you're like, why are you so glowy, Hana? I put on some sunscreen and moisturizer. So I'm not sweating, I promise. Oops. So now I am going to go into Avalon and apply it. Not exactly where I applied, you know, but just a little bit. You'll see, you'll see. Ooh. Wow. I love this big mirror in here. I don't know if I mentioned it, but you guys could also see that this palette does come with a huge, amazing mirror. Love mirrors like these. Alright, now I'm going to get a blending brush because do I need one right now? Okay. Wow, you guys, this palette so far is super easy to play with, to blend, to create multiple looks because of all the like duochromes and metallic shades that are in this. And then I really appreciate the amount of crease shades, well, just brown shades that are in this palette, honestly. Like, that's just huge for me because I'm a very natural girl when it comes to my makeup and eyeshadow. Like, literally, even this eye could just add mascara and be good. My god, that's so pretty. I don't know. This is my first time playing with Alter Ego, so I honestly didn't know what to expect. I mean, I was hoping it was going to be good, but this is good, y'all. This is good. All right, now for the moment that you have all been waiting for. Time to play with one of these metallics or duochromes. I gotta swatch Cassandra because I actually didn't swatch her before. Oh, that's pretty. And then Luna. Luna. Love that. I think that was Sailor Moon's cat's name, right? Alright. What shade shall we add all over the lids? Or, you know, majority of the... I'm looking at Valkyrie and Venus. Lisa was also really pretty too. What if we do Lisa all over the lids and then in inner corners we can do a Valkyrie? What if we do that? Should we do that? Or should we do Venus all over the lids and then Valkyrie in the inner corner? Or maybe Pandora in the inner corner? What do we do? Alright, 500 years later, I think we're going to go in with Venus because that is like a true gold. And then maybe add Lisa. Maybe. So I'm just going to take Venus with my fingers. I feel like that's the best way to add any metallic shimmer shade. And apply it. Eee! Eek, 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 eek. This is pretty. Oh, yeah. That is intense. Try to blend out the edges. Wow. Do you guys see that? Wow. I hope you guys are so proud of me because I usually do a mauve eyes or purple eyes. This is something different. Wow. Wow. We're not done though. Don't worry. We're not done. But wow. Alright, I did some blending off camera. Now I'm going to go in with Pandora and add this to my inner corner. as a little highlight, just a little bit. Get that ombre vibe going on. Wow, literally don't tell me I'm not a goddess. Wow. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna finish the rest of my eyes, like add mascara off camera. So I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Kind of lied because I ended up doing my whole face off of camera, including my lips. But now we can finish the eyes because I do want to add a bottom color to my lash line as well as some mascara. Oh, I'm kind of freaking out. Hold up. I'm going to take my Kat Von D translucent powder and powder my under eyes to prevent any powder from like falling. Alright, now I'm going to take this shade Gaia. It's the green matte shade and put it underneath. I don't know, this could look like really bad, but we'll see. And put it on my bottom lash line. Wow. What do we think? I think I'm going to go in Pandora just a little bit to intensify this inner corner. And now, let's add some mascara. And then I think we're done with the look. I'm going to take the MAKIAGE. I used it in my last video. By the way, got a giveaway going on in my last video. Watch the video for more details. That was my attempt at a week. Alright, you guys, and here's the final look that I created using the Alter Ego Goddess palette. You guys, I am so impressed. Oh my gosh, and only, was it $16 or $18? Y'all, hold please. Only $16. 15 color eyeshadow palette. Also, ooh, I forgot to mention, I have a 10% discount code. Yes, a 10% discount code off of any purchase on Alter Ego, and it is Hana10. I'll link it down below, but I'll also list it right here. Save you 10% off. But again, you guys, this is such an affordable makeup line. And I am so happy again with how the look turned out. The eyeshadows were very pigmented, just a little bit of fallout, but y'all, this is powder, what do we expect? And I love the amount of crease shades. Oh my gosh, was this hair in my face the whole time? And I love the amount of crease shades that are in this palette, as well as this big mirror. Great for travel. Y'all, okay, we about to have a new favorite. Anyways, that concludes my video for today. I will link again everything down below, as well as the products that I used on my face, my brows, my lips, everything, anything, even this dress, because sometimes I notice you guys ask what am I wearing. This is from Marshall's. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a girl a thumbs up if you did, and if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials, no, I am no makeup artist over here, but I love playing with makeup, discovering new makeup, and creating looks with it. So definitely give your girl a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out my giveaway in my last video. I will link that video also in one of these corners and down below. Eek! And if you guys want to see more of this face, don't forget to press the subscribe button down below. It's red. Join the family, become a bestie, and turn on post notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, I love you guys so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye! So happy with how this turned out, you guys.